Hello principals, teachers and counselors. One very important aspect of career counseling is psychometric test. Most of the time it happens, students are not usually aware about their strengths, their intelligences, their personality traits, their motivational factors और उस वजह से it happens कि they select certain career but after few years they realize that this is not best suited for them or they feel frustrated in that. So here the psychometric plays a very important role. Through psychometric test, one can analyze all their abilities, their intelligences, their personality traits, and on the basis of it, we can help the children to identify the most suitable careers, the most suitable subjects, be it the streams, be it the additional subject, optional subjects. We can do all these things with the help of a psychometric test.